Channel Rare Dentistry. Today we will make a Adam's clasp. Now first we discuss how to make a Adam's clasp, and first we discuss the armamentarium we require. This is the model, and this is the pencil we require, and this is the marker, and this hardware cutter, Adam clasp, and this is the universal plier, and this is the Adam's plier, and this is also Adam's plier, and this is also a universal plier. First we mark our points. First we take a distal cusp. First we give a mesobuccal cusp. Mesobuccal cusp we will draw a straight line, and from distal buccal cusp we draw a straight line, and we have a buccal point from where the bridge height of the bridge will be there. We mark a point. Now this is the width, this is the height of the bridge, and these are the two arrowhead rest in these areas. Now we want a straight wire. Wire should be straight, not fully be required to straight the wire. Now we will mark a point. These 2 points are marked. From that we'll give a 90-degree bend. Firstly, I inform you that this is a 21 gauge wire. It should be just like that. Now we will measure the height of bridge. Just that. From where we make a U-loop with the help of universal plier. We will compress the loop. Now we will bend 90 degree. Now we will give a million dollar band. It is very important. From lower side we will pick the arrowhead and bend towards ourself, just like that, then away from us, just like that. Now same here. From lower side we will engage, then bend towards our side, and then towards away side. mark the points. Now we will mark the point for both bands. Now we will form a return to arms, return to text. The random class has been prepared. थैंक यू। मेरी वीडियो पसंद है लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।